stream, I was using this soundboard right here.
Perverts. Perverts.
Pendejo. Pendejo.
Pendejo.
Pendejo.
I love it. It's a soundboard of a YouTuber. His name's RM Brown. I love watching him, and he has like the best sound bites.
I'm calling bluff. I'm calling bluff.
Freedom! We have the freedom. We need the freedom to use balloons. Freedom!
Make pee-pee. Make pee-pee.
Oh my God, we're gonna arrest you! Oh my God, we're gonna arrest you! Oh my God, we're gonna arrest you! Oh my God, we're gonna arrest you!
This is not great, guys. It's like, this is awesome.
Yelling, abolish the police.
Oh my God!
Oh my God, we're gonna arrest you!
Disgusting and probably illegal.
Yelling, abolish the police.
Oh! Jesus Christ.
I fucked that one up.
Yelling, abolish the police.
Wipe your ass with them. Wipe your ass with them.
This is fucking awesome. Like, this is the best.
Porn can lead to demonic possession. Porn can lead to demonic possession.
Perverts.
Sniffing.
Perverts.
Sniffing.
Porn can lead to demonic possession.
Corporate communism. Corporate communism.
Corporate communism.
Abolish the police. Abolish the police.
Corporate communism.
This is fucking great, dude.
Take the towers down now.
Oh, don't say that. Yo, Hassan. What did Hassan say? Hassan said this.
Take the towers down now. Take the towers down now.
Left nut.
Oh my god. This is great.
Left nut.
That is my own sperm. That is my own sperm. That is my own sperm.
Toilets.
Oh, anyways. I love this though. I love this fucking soundboard. This is great. Great. Our next topic